as the name of the topic sounds, graphing proportional relationship, we are going to be discussing few things here. One is what are proportional relations and how do you put them on a graph paper, okay? So to assist us in this learning objective, we have a Cartesian coordinate plane, a plane in which we are going to be discussing two variables, x and y, and then we have this coordinate system, all right? And let's take our simple equation to be y is equal to 2x minus 5. Okay, so we have an equation, we have a graph. Now, what is the meaning of this term, proportional relationship? This is basically defining that when there are two variables involved in an equation, the value of one variable, it depends on the value of the other variable, right? Or in other words, we also say that the y, which is one variable in this case, is a dependent variable, and then we have x is labeled as independent variable. And this simply means that whatever value you assign to x in this equation, for that unique value of x, there exists a unique value of y. And then there is a dependency between these two variables. Hence, we say that there exists some kind of a proportional relationship, and that proportional relationship could be direct proportion or it could be inverse proportion. At this moment, we are saying that we don't know what that relation is. We just want to define that there exists some relation between these two variables. That's all we are saying as of now, all right? So the question is then, how do you put this equation on this Cartesian coordinate plane or on this graph paper, right? So the first fundamental thing what we need is the ordered pair of values of x and y so that we can plot our graph, correct? And how you obtain that order pair is, so we will assign any value to x and accordingly we will calculate what will be that unique value of y, okay? So start with, let's say I put x equal to 0. And when I feed x equal to 0 in this equation, I get 2 times 0 minus 5. So value of y will be negative 5. Put x equal to 1. What you obtain is 2 times 1 minus 5. That will be negative 3. X equal to, what you obtain is negative 1. X equal 3, you obtain 1. So for each unique value of x, you are obtaining a unique value of y, right? Or in other words, what you just did is basically you created an ordered pair of x and y, and now we are ready to put our equation on this Cartesian coordinate plane. So we will take one pair at a time. So first we have a pair of 0 and negative 5. Okay, so 0 and negative 5, x is 0 here and y is negative 5. It goes right here. So this is my first point. Okay, then you have second point to be 1 and negative 3. X is 1 and y is negative 3 comes right here. Okay, then you have x equal 2 and y is negative 1. X is 2 here, y is negative 1. It goes right here, right on top of this number 2. Okay, then finally you have x equal to 3 and y equal to 1. So x is 3 here and y is 1 comes at this point. So now you have 4 points on this Cartesian coordinate plane, and we can simply join these 4 points to obtain our equation. So the way to join these 4 points is that I will simply take my line, make sure that it connects all 4 points, and this is the line I could draw. So this line is y is equal to 2x minus 5. So this is a line representing our equation, or in other words, what you just did is you graphed a proportional relationship between variables x and y, and this is what it shows on the graph. Okay. So in summary, we are stating that graphing proportional relationship, it has certain steps to it. First, we need to define what is our proportional relation between two variables, and we defined that in form of an equation, and we said that it is y is equal to 2x minus 5. Then we obtained a set of an ordered pair of values of variable x and y. We fed that unique value of x in this equation and we obtained a unique value of y corresponding to that specific value of x. So once you obtained 3 or more ordered pair of values, then you put them on this Cartesian coordinate plane and simply join them. And in this case, we are saying that it is a directly proportional relationship between two variables, because as x goes up from left to right, we observe that the value of y also goes up from bottom to top. So this is how you put any proportional relationship on a Cartesian coordinate plane.